is Statistics, chapter number 14. Facts or figures which are numerical or otherwise collected with a definite purpose are called data. Statistics was simply the collection of data on different aspects of the life of people. Statistics began to concern itself not only with the collection and presentation of data but also with the interpretation and drawing of inference from the data. Collection of data is two types. One is primary data, other one is secondary data. When the information was collected by the investigator herself or himself with a definite objective in her or his mind, the data obtained is called primary data. When the information was gathered from a source which already had the information stored, the data obtained is called secondary data. Exercise 14.1, first question. Give 5 examples of data that you can collect from your day-to-day life. In our day-to-day life, we come across with many sorts of data collection. Some of them are here. You can write anything. I have written 5 examples in this. Sugar production in our state of Karnataka, the number of TV viewers in a city. This all, we are not going and collecting the report directly. Some of them collected and kept in the store that we are taking out. Third one, number of colleges in a city. But fourth one, height of students in a class. This is only one thing is primary data, because who's going to check the students list, they are going to check the height of the students with directly, so that this is primary data. Other thing is secondary data. Fifth one, number of children in the country under 15 years. So without fourth one, remaining all it is secondary data. Only first one is primary data. You can write your own example also. Second question is, classify the data in question number 1 above as primary or secondary data. For this, you can write anything also, or the same thing you can write. In this fourth one only is primary data, other thing all secondary data. Exercise 14.2, first question is, the blood group of 30 students of class 8 are recorded as follows. A, B, O group and AB group, like this they given. Represent this data in the form of frequency distribution table, which is the most common and which is the rarest blood group among the students. They have given here A, B and AB, O. So we have to count all the A here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So A group, blood group is A is 9. So I have given the tabular column here, blood group and number of students. So A group students are 9. So B group will count now. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 B group. B group will count here. AB is 1 here, 2, 3. So AB is 3. O group is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 of them are O group. So what is the common group of students? O group is 12, because we have maximum number. Rarest blood group is AB, because 3 students have AB blood group. So the most common group is O. Out of 30 they have 12. The rarest blood group is AB. Out of 30 students they have 3. Second question, the distance in kilometer of 40 engineers from their residence to their place of work were found as follows. This all in kilometer they have given. Construct a group frequency distribution table with class size 5 for the data given above, taking the first interval as 0 to 5. 5 is not included. That means 0 to 4 you have to tally mark, you have to write in like this, 0 to 4. Then 5 comes, we have to put in this place. Then 10 comes, we have to put this place. What main features do you observe from this tabular representation? So we have to put the tabular column. This is distance 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, because they have given here. It is highest value is 32 they given. That's why we have to put 30 to 35 like that. Then tally marks. Number of engineers we have to write 3 columns like this. Then we have to count 0 to 4 how many members are coming. So in this 0 to 4 how many members? This is 1, 3 is 1. This is 2, 3, 4, 5. Remaining all more than 5. That's why 5 line. That is 4 line we have to put like this, 5th line is like this. If you put like this, for counting it will be very easy. That's why we have to write like this. Then 5 members are there, write it like this. Same way you have to count and put like this. Then final tabular column, what we observe is, most of the engineers come from the distance in between 5 to 15 kilometers. Third question also you have to do it same like the tabular column. In this third one they asked what is the range of this data. Range means we have the formula, range of data is equal to maximum value minus minimum value. In this, what is the minimum value here? Everything if you observe, 84.9 is minimum value, maximum value is 99.2 is maximum value. So from maximum value minus minimum value if you do, we'll get the range. So 99.2 minus 84.9 is equal to 14.3 is the range of this data. Question is, a study was conducted to find out of the concentration of sulfur dioxide in the air in parts per million, ppm, that is like unit of a certain city. The data obtained for 30 days is as follows. They have given here. First question, make a grouped frequency distribution table for this data with class interval as 0.00 to 0.04, 0.04 to 0.08, so on. Second one, for how many days was the concentration of sulfur dioxide more than 0.11 parts per million. Here we have to take tabular column, concentration of SO2, number of days in frequency and number of tallies. So they have given the class interval 0.00 to 0.04, 0.04 to 0.08, like this we have to keep 0. till 24 because it is the highest value. From 0.20 to 0.24 we are getting. So we have to count 0.00 to 0.04. How many tallies is getting? So I am getting 4 tallies. You know how to count. Previous question also I had showed how to count. So write like this everything how much you are getting. So totally they are getting 30 days. So this all days, 30 days we are getting. And the concentration of SO2 was more than 0.11 ppm for 8 days, because here it start 0.08 to 0.12. 12 it was not there, so 12 it will be here. More than 1 means it will start from here. So this we have to take a count. Here 2 plus 4 plus 2. So we are getting 8 days. That's what I have written here.